My name is Caroline and I'm the Careers Advisor based at the Chester campus. My aim is to see all full-time learners at least once during the academic year. As a member of the Careers team, we pride ourselves on providing friendly, impartial advice which is going to help learners in their career planning. Now, I can be found in the Student Hub, where I work closely with the PDTs, who are an important link between the Careers team and learners. During these difficult times, it has never been more important for students to receive careers support. The Careers staff are all using Team to communicate with learners, and this is working extremely well. So, I would like to ask you all to encourage learners who need careers guidance to contact us and use the service.
Hi, my name's Davey. I'm a careers advisor at Cheshire College. I work at Ellesmere Port. We have an agenda. The agenda is supporting your child to make career choices, the career resources available, options available, and closing remarks. Supporting your child in making career choices. Young people, they get quite anxious about whether they're going to be making a mistake or committing to something too early. Obviously, it's quite hard for people to really know what it is that they want to do. Occasionally you get somebody that is like, that's the thing I've always wanted to do, and they're just going straight for it. But often people don't really know what they want to do. So a lot of it is really just looking into what the person enjoys, what they think they're good at, what they could see themselves doing, and then looking at the options that are available. So how do we help them? It's a good idea to find out whether they've had any careers advice at school or college, just to see what's been said to them in the past, because that obviously can be very helpful. Encourage them to attend careers fairs. There's a lot of online virtual careers fairs around at the moment, and you can do a little search for them. There's a lot that are hosted by universities and colleges. Get to talk to the experts, hear about all kinds of different jobs and industries, and you can actually ask them questions in real time. Work experience is a really brilliant opportunity to look at the career that they might want to do and be able to sort of try it out, what it actually involves, build up some skills, build up some confidence, meet some people, talk to them, and find out if it's something that they would really like to do. Quite often people do work experience and they make a really good impression, and they get offered a job or apprenticeship or training based on it. On a similar vein, if they get involved in lots of extracurricular activities like sports and clubs, that's another way of building up their confidence, trying out different things, and meeting people that might be able to help them get into the career that they want to get into. There's also something called the Virtual National Citizenship Service that's full of more opportunities that will develop your son and daughter, and also give them things to put down on their CV and application forms. These are basically their career choices in a nutshell. They can progress within college, go on to higher education, at college or university, in school leaver programs and degree apprenticeships. Apprenticeships are really popular at the moment for things like the police apprenticeship. The number one site to go to is National Apprenticeship website. Professional qualifications, so they wanted to work in HR or accountancy, there's professional qualifications that they can do around those. Into full-time employment and just see how things develop through that. There's all kinds of opportunities for people that work hard. And gap years or volunteering. You can explore all kinds of different opportunities, different jobs, get lots of experiences. They have had that year to develop, to get their confidence up, and quite often then they're a lot more serious when they actually go and start studying. When you're talking to your son and daughter, is that they look past the stereotypes. It's unbelievable how many jobs there are within a career that you just don't even know about. Doing that research and being open is a really good idea. And National Careers website, it has a database of pretty much every job career that you can think of. A really good database of ideas. Things for your son and daughter to consider would be, what are their abilities, what are they good at, what are their skills, what skills have they developed, and which of those skills do they enjoy using. That's really important because we spend a lot of our lives working. Young people often don't know what their skills are. Some of the websites I'm going to give you at the end have a questionnaire, and that questionnaire asks some questions about things they like, they don't like, things they're good at, they're not so good at, and then it actually gives them a list of the skills that they have developed most. and that's really good because then they can tell other people when they're applying for jobs or on application forms, they can mention those skills. First one I want to talk about is Unifrog. Your son and daughter will have been given a form code that allows them to get into Unifrog. If they haven't got that, they can contact their PDT on Teams and get the form code. Unifrog.org has basically a load of tiles inside it. One of the tiles does the questionnaire thing and lets you know what your skills are. It also has another questionnaire that lets you know what kind of careers that you might be good at or might be interesting to you. It also has lots and lots, a big database of different types of careers. It also has something that helps students do their personal statement, which can be used to apply for university, but also is quite good to use for job applications as well. Kudos is on their intranet tile. It's got some similar stuff, but it's also got some more things about employability. It's got some things about creating a CV, how to do application forms, how to do covering letters, and things like that. So another one that's very good to have a look at. Target Careers, which is very good for sector-specific resources, and our careers tile, which is on our college intranet site, has everything that you can imagine. It's got starting up your own business, how to get funding, how to do your CV, how to do covering letters, gap years, volunteering opportunities, applying to university through UCAS, just basically everything. So that would be my number one site to go to with your son and daughter to have a look through if they want to know anything at all about anything at all about careers. If after all of that you still want to talk to a careers advisor, or your son and daughter wants to talk to a careers advisor, they can contact us through careers@ccsw.ac.uk. Also, your son and daughter have access to Microsoft Teams. You can contact us on there. We can speak to them, we can call them, we can message them, we can do video calls with them. So hopefully this has been quite a good overview for you about how you can help your son and daughter look at their careers opportunities. And like I say, you can get in contact with us if you need any more advice, and I hope it's been helpful, and thank you very much for staying with us.
Hello, my name is Karen and I'm a careers advisor at the Crewe campus. When we're not in lockdown, I'm based in the student hub, but for now I'm contacting students virtually using Microsoft Teams and email. So if you have any questions for the careers team, please get in touch.